everybody! And today is my 10th birthday. Hi, Billy. Go away! Okay, that was random. Okay, and I'm reviewing the Ultimate Nerf Blaster book. Oh yeah, look at that! That is the Rapid Strike CS18. Vortex Prototion, N-Strike Maverick Rev 6. Just don't look at them. N-Strike Elite Trade EX3. As you can see it, Night Finder EX3. Can you guys go away, please?
Looking at some toys.
Okay.
No, we can go through them in my head.
They're just distracting. Sorry about that, guys. I had to cut it out. So yeah, and it comes with 6 of the rarest blast darts of all times. Da 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 da. Okay, and they're the elite bullets. There's 6 of them. I shall open up the book. Gabby's come over. Say hello. She has a phone. And she's only like 6 or 7, something like that.
I'm 7.
Okay, whatever. I'll get these bullets out.
Say hello.
They're a lot different. Wait, I'll just shut the book. Yeah. As you can see, has the Elite logo, N-Strike Elite. It has the pixels over it, plus it's really strong. I'm actually squeezing it. Yeah, it's a lot different and a lot rarer and a lot awesomer. Don't know if awesomer is a word, but bullets are. Okay. That was random. And if you saw that Billy, he was dressed up weirdly. He went to the British Schools Museum in Hitchin. That's where we are. Ultimate Nerf Blaster book. Oh, for never double
Can
double.
we show them how weird I'm dressed up? I'm not done yet.
Ah! Hi, Gabby. We're texting. The Ultimate Nerf Blaster book. It was written by Nathaniel Moranas and a POW with a circle. Is that the POW or is it just a circle? I can never tell because I'm dumb.
Oh,
Billy dressed up as a Victorian. Go get your flat cap. He doesn't look like a Victorian yet. As you can see, there's a jolt. What?
Can I take a picture of you, please?
Fine. But while I'm recording, I don't think it's going to be too good. But the author says, to Dash and Dex, my crack of pet Nerf marksman, this one's for you. Acknowledgements. I'll read it all in the right language.
Why don't you keep it there so that then people can actually read
Okay.
it?
I put it there.
Yeah, not like that.
Okay. Done. So you saw it. And there's the long strike. It's awesome.
No, sorry. Look, I'm Water Boy.
Yes, there's boobies in Water Boy. So, I really want that. It's a lot like a sniper rifle. That's why I want it. That's similar to the Hornet. That's one of the vortex guns. I have never seen it before. The Lumitron, that's like a pump shotgun. And this, I would find that really handy. So, like, if you're in trouble, then you can just put your hand in, like, your back pocket and go, yeah, there you go, boom! And you could kill them. I have to find